Hello, and welcome to another video review. Today we're taking a look at... Wait, where is it? Oh, here it comes. And here it is. The Tardis, a police public call box. You don't know what it is? Doctor Who. And... yeah. Here it is. Windows, door, lock, or silence the door. Please telephone for free use of public. Device and assistant detained immediately. Officers and cars respond to all calls. Pull to open. And you can pull to open. And there you go, got the lovely detail. The figure, the little bells, the coloration, the bronze and brown, and just close it back up. And oh, this is the flight control Tardis, by the way. Get the same side there, and same side there. They're like the doors, and the locks, and such. Got all the stuff at the back, you got the speakers and the battery compartment. At the top, got a lantern, and all that. And it's flight control, so you got all these buttons and on, off, and rotate. Yep. That's that. But to rotate, you've got this center thing here. Just all that and that here, and rotate at the top. Just spin. I see they open and have a look inside. Come on. Oh, it's locked. I'm gonna get the key. Oh. Where is it? Where is it at? Oh, I should know. Yep. There you go. Yeah, the inside. The console there in the middle. You know, all this. The photo. At the top there, you got some lights and the magnets. I think. Magnets? They're not lights. I don't know. Get the tile floor. Let's pull that door and push this button here to close that other door. And there you go. Just turn it on and have a look at the lights. It sounds. And there we go. Lift that up. Take off. Land. Take off. Land. Focus this button. Take off. Take off. Land. Take off. Land. And just to shut it up, just push that door. Open. And light does. And then does light up. And open up. There's light and more sounds. Oh, there's lights. The lights. That's been. That's that. This has been Pick Up Reviews, reviewing the Flight Control 10th Doctor's Flight Control Tardis. We got over Sonic out. Oh, and of course, oh sorry, I forgot to mention that it does also make sounds when you actually rotate it. Flying through space sounds. Oh, also, if you shake it, get a trouble ahead music. Yeah. And right, okay, we're all done now. This maneuver signing off again. Better lock it back up.